Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Durango RT faster. First, consider a cold air intake system. It's a straightforward upgrade that helps your engine breathe better, potentially adding a few horsepower. Next, a performance exhaust system can reduce back pressure, allowing your engine to expel gases more efficiently. Finally, an ECU tune is essential to optimize your engine's parameters for these new components, unlocking more power safely and effectively. For more significant power gains, forced induction is key. A supercharger or turbocharger can dramatically boost your engine's output, often by 30% or more, providing a thrilling acceleration experience. Complementing this, upgraded camshafts can optimize valve timing for better high RPM performance. Remember, with increased power, you'll also need larger fuel injectors to ensure your engine receives adequate fuel, preventing lean conditions and maintaining reliability. Getting that power to the ground efficiently is crucial. A performance torque converter can significantly improve your launch, making your Durango feel much quicker off the line. Additionally, changing your differential's gear ratio to a lower one will provide a noticeable boost in acceleration, especially from a stop. Don't forget about lighter wheels and high-performance tires. They reduce unsprung weight and dramatically improve traction, allowing you to utilize all that newfound power. To ensure your modified Durango RT performs reliably and at its peak, proper maintenance is non-negotiable. Regular oil changes and fluid checks are essential for engine longevity. Always use premium fuel with the correct octane rating, especially after tuning, to prevent pre-ignition and maximize power. Finally, professional installation of performance parts and a custom dyno tune are highly recommended to ensure everything works harmoniously, delivering both power and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.